Bravo Sierra, practice stand stop, calling climbing away. The engine stops. Look at the way the airspeed comes back quite quickly.
Yeah, I feel like I'm a little nervous with you because I've not flown with you before.
Yeah, that's a very normal thing. No, that worked out really nicely. I have no hesitation sending solo.
Are you a student pilot or looking to learn to fly? My name's Adam, I'm a newly qualified private pilot and I'd love to take on my journey to get my private pilot's license. Today we're doing circuits again. Unfortunately my instructor had COVID, so I got paired with Colin, who I've never flown with before, so I was a little bit nervous. But it was interesting to get to fly with someone else because he went through some procedures that James hadn't yet, such as engine failures on takeoff. You'll see that in this video, but the way that we do it is just by pulling the power back. It's not a fully power off engine failure or simulated engine failure, because we still need the engine to fly away once we've done the procedure. My GoPro Hero, the one that sits behind me, because it was quite hot, it stopped, it overheated, so towards the end half of this video you'll only get the video from the GoPro Fusion that I was using, which was the 360 one. But unfortunately it's not as good quality, so I'm sorry about that. But that's what happens when it's warm. I hope you enjoy.
On pitot heat lights, landing light and transponder. Okay, split checks are done, and if you're ready, let's go. Just call taking off runway 25.
Off Bravo Sierra, taking off 25.
And so full power. RPM looks reasonable. T's and P's look good. Just waiting for the airspeed. Airspeed's alive. That's it. Don't hoik the nose up. Just let the airspeed build, especially if we're quite heavy and you can hear the stall warner warbling.
Yeah.
So just, that's it. And once you get a good speed, about 70 odd knots, let the aircraft fly away. Whenever you're ready.
Golf Delta Foxtrot, short final, 25 right, touch and go.
Okay, so you're climbing, so 15 degrees angle of bank. Yeah, that's it, 15. And you're going to have to offset for the wind quite a lot.
Yeah.
Stiffish breeze. I'd have thought somewhere like that. Yeah, that looks about right. That's it, so that's it, steady out on this crosswind leg. And turn about now, I'd have thought. So we're not quite going over the middle of this wood. We're still a little bit to the south, but kind of a good 1/3 way in. Quite a fast downwind leg,
Yeah.
because we have quite a good tailwind.
We are climbing, that's good.
Yeah, right. So I don't mind whether you do the downwind call first or the downwind checks. It's up to you.
Okay. So brakes are good. Gear is fixed. Mixture's rich. Half heat hot. Fuel pump on. Harness is good.
It's good.
Doors closed.
Yep.
Good. Off Bravo Sierra, downwind.
Right.
Very high.
Well, you're close in. So let's see what we can do. Let's get the speed back to 70 knots. Let's see what'll happen. Yeah. the wind's, keep your heading, the wind's taking you that way, which is helping you now, because it's going to extend your finals leg. Yeah, you might not need any more power. It's but then you've got quite a strong headwind, so you might. We'll see how we go. Beautiful evening.
Yeah.
Now you can take final flap anytime you want, so I'd take it now, because you need to be going down, don't you?
Yeah.
So.
Golf, Delta Foxtrot, downwind, 25 right, left-hand circuit.
Quick little radio call, just say finals, touch and go.
Bravo Sierra, final, touch and go.
Right, that's looking good. Yeah, that's okay, it's coming nicely, well done. Okay, and sort your flaps out, and I'll sort this out. Yeah.
Full power.
Full power. Okay, nicely done. Okay, I have control.
You have control?
Okay, so here we are climbing out. Well, we've got 70 knots. So height and speed's good. First stage of flap. Trim it a bit. About 200 feet. Second stage of flap. Speed increase. Golf Bravo Sierra, practice man stop, call you climbing away. Okay, so carb air is on. So the engine stops. Look at the way the airspeed comes back quite quickly.
Yeah. Nose
down. Right, look for a field.
Yeah.
No, it's got the telephone lines in that one, so I am going to land across here. Going a bit, speed's good, so I can take full flap, and we would get in there. Okay, the crops will stop us. Golf Bravo Sierra, climbing away. So I'm down to one stage of flap now. Where's the church? There it is, so we can start 15 degrees angle of bank, flaps fully up. So you get the idea.
Yeah.
You're instantly looking for somewhere to plant it. Just a quick skeg at things like wires, bushes, tall trees, great big cows in the field. You know, you hit a cow at 70 miles an hour, you're going to kill a cow, but you could well kill yourself. So it's 70 knots on the crosswind leg, you have control.
I have control.
Right. Right, so look, if we have an engine failure now, you're looking right down the throat of 03, aren't you? Now you've got a tailwind, so I would absolutely go full flap because you want to be as slow as you can. And you might overrun it, but you'd only hit the hedge quite slowly.
Yeah.
So that's an option. And here we are, you know, downwind.
Yeah.
If the engine stopped now and you dived over there, you could make a left turn and land on 2.9.
Yep.
2.9. But directional funding goes down, mixtures rich carb air, hot fuel, content, pumps on, flaps, hatches, harness hood. It's only because I was talking and didn't give you time. Right, we're good.
Late downwind.
Yep, well done. So once again, if you had an engine failure now, you just tighten the turn and go for runway 29. Yeah. So the only dodgy bit is after takeoff. Yeah, it's a combination of turning a little bit what I would think was early.
Okay.
I know that the instructors are very keen to keep the circuits really tight these days, but just go for that full flap. Yeah, I mean that's what it's there for.
Yeah.
radio, Golf Charlie Echo Echo Uniform, request airfield information, radio check and taxi to circuits.
Echo Uniform, sorry, good evening. We're on 25 right, left-hand circuit, and the QFE is 1012.
Yeah, don't worry.
Runway
Flying the
25
aircraft's far
right,
more
left-hand
important.
circuit
Yeah.
with QFE 1012, Golf Echo Uniform.
That's it, nicely done. A little bit of power just to rest that descent. Very nice. Okay.
Golf Delta Foxtrot is late downwind.
Okay, so don't take the power right off after landing. That's it, do the flaps. And off we go.
Yeah, I feel like I'm a little nervous with you because I've not flown with you before.
Yeah, that's a very normal thing. But it's good to fly with different instructors.
Yeah. Because yeah, you have gone through a lot more that James might not have before.
Yeah. And I would counsel against taking all the flap at once there,
Okay.
because it can set up quite a lot of sink,
Right.
and you can lose a good bit of airspeed.
Okay.
Occasionally. Right. Okay. Golf Bravo Sierra, fan stop. I'll call you climbing away. Right. So the engine's failed. Pick a field
No
for
sound.
me. 70 knots is all you're looking for. Nothing more than that. So can you see something? Yeah, so if you took full
Over
flat,
this one,
you could
yeah.
land across here, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, right, climb away. That's it.
Okay.
Climb away. Golf Bravo Sierra, climbing away. Okay, now keep going this time,
Yeah.
because we can't overfly that village.
Okay. Alright, stand here.
Yeah, start turning now. It's 15 degrees angle of bank, because you're climbing. Right, there's another aircraft in the circuit. It's not inside us, is it? Oh, there it is. He's just taking off. I got him. He's just going over the threshold. Okay. I'll keep your car very cold.
Yeah, I always forget to turn that back to hot.
Yeah,
cold,
but
sorry.
the thing was, I put it to hot,
Right.
so it's not in your muscle memory. That's why I take responsibility for that at the moment.
Even doing circuits, I forget to turn it back to cold on final.
Everybody does. It's discipline.
Yeah.
You gotta do it. So downwind checks, downwind call.
So, Golf Bravo Sierra, downwind. Brakes good, gears fixed, mixer's rich, RP hot, fuel pumps on.
Yeah, we're almost at maximum power there, so let's
Okay,
just bring
yep.
it back. If you go too fast, that also gives you problems downwind. Now, I'll tell you when I think you should turn.
Okay.
Bearing in mind that this is a very short circuit, normally you would go down much further downwind than we're allowed to here. So I would start your turn about now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably makes me feel a bit more comfortable as well, actually.
Yeah. Okay. So don't descend. So you've made the turn.
Yeah.
You've got to keep the nose up because you want the speed to come back to 70 knots, don't you?
Yeah.
So the speed is in the white arc. Select those two stages of flap. And now we can have a more controlled approach because we were able to use power. We weren't able to use power before because we were sort of maximum descent rate, weren't we?
Yeah.
Just have a look, see. Yep.
Bit early?
No, it's up to
Oh.
you. I was just looking at my house. I was just seeing if the car's in the drive or not.
Golf Delta Foxtrot downwind 25 right left hand circuit.
Golf Bravo Sierra, final. We didn't touch and go.
Yes.
I should have said that, but
Okay, don't worry. It's, we can presume.
yeah, that's a lot more comfortable doing it like that.
Yeah, you're in control.
Yeah.
You know,
You're not panicking trying to get it down.
no. Oops, that's it. Okay, yeah. No,
No.
power off, power off. Yeah, don't want to put power on too late. Okay, do your flaps. Full power. Is that full power?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Golf Delta Foxtrot, final, 25 right, touch and go.
Right, so 70 knots, got to get the rate of climb. That's it, nicely done. When you've got a positive rate of climb and safe height, safe speed, you can start doing the flap. That's it, just leave it on that first notch. Let it settle. A second stage of flap up. And then aim for 70 knots. Got it.
Oh yeah, I forgot again.
Yeah. It's okay, that's it.
Golf Echo Uniform signing up runway 25 right.
The James says 80 climbing.
Yeah, I'm happy with 80. 80 is,
Yeah.
80 is a cruisy climb type thing, but it's generally 70, maybe 70 until after you've got the flaps up and then go for 80.
Right.
So yes, I'm happy with that. I don't have a problem with that.
Okay. Brakes are off. Mixture's rich. RB's hot. Fuel pump's on. Gear is fixed. Harness is good. Doors closed. Got Bravo Sierra downwind.
Yep, don't let the aircraft descend too much.
Yep. About here, right?
Yep, that looks good to me. Tom White in the other aircraft. Let's see him.
Get it in that touch and go.
Yes.
Golf Bravo Sierra. Final touch and go. Final two back.
Golf Echo Uniform is downwind, runway 25 right, forward touch and go, contact 1 ahead.
Golf Delta Foxtrot's on base leg for 25 right, contact 1 ahead, touch and go.
That's it. Keep the power where it is. Power off now.
Oh, that was
Okay,
heavy.
that's right. Yeah, make sure the power's off. Flaps. And then let's go.
Golf to Foxtrot, final 25 right, touch and go, contact 1 ahead.
It's all over the place.
It's a lot of thermals today. Okay, safe height, safe speed.
Golf Foxtrot's going around.
Okay, that's it, nicely done.
Golf Tank Uniform is final 25 right, forward, touch and go.
Alright, let's hold that height on the downwind leg this time.
Okay, brakes, good, mixture's rich. Fuel heat, full pump is on. Carb heat is hot. I didn't touch it, I keep forgetting. Gear is down. Harness is good. Ball's good. Golf Bravo Sierra downwind.
Yeah, don't go over the motorway, stay inside the motorway. Yeah, before.
Golf Delta Foxtrot, downwind 25 right, left hand circuit, contact 1 ahead.
That's two, isn't it?
That's two, yeah. Okay, so tighten it up a bit. Get blown out to the left all the while. That's it, keep coming left, keep coming left. So you want to track at 90 degrees, not head at 90 degrees, that's okay.
Waltham Radio, Golf Charlie Golf Golf Mike inbound from Whiskey, request airfield information for rejoin.
Golf Charlie Golf Golf Mike, Wolfram Radio, welcome back. 25 right, left hand circuit. QFE 1012.
Another touch and go.
Yep. QFE is 1012, 25 right with the left hand circuit, Golf Golf Mike.
Golf Bravo Sierra, final 25 right, touch and go.
That's it, don't, not too much power. That's it, take the power off, take the power off. Okay, I'm going to take the flap fully up this time. Okay, go round. Off you go. Trim might be a bit funny this time, might be a bit heavy. because you've got no flap, but you'll climb better.
Foxtrot, final 25
That's it,
right.
so it's a much flatter takeoff.
Yeah.
So you've already got 70 knots because we're clean and we've got nothing there. So, but we'll climb a lot better.
Yeah.
So you're already at 80 knots. Carver.
Oh, for God's sake.
Yeah.
I'll remember this time, he says.
Yeah, you got to link it with something else, with your final call or whatever.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Say to yourself, finals, car bear. Right, off we go around the corner. Your landings are very nice. You just got this temptation to add power
Okay.
at the end of it, which is not always necessary. There was one occasion on the first or second landing where you did need it, and that was very well done. But you're landing with power, and you've still got quite a lot of airspeed, so
Okay.
you should be okay to hold the aircraft off the ground without adding any power.
Okay. Good constructive criticism. That's what I like to. I learned from that. I mean, everyone does, don't they?
Golf Echo Uniform is final 25 right, forward touch and go.
Golf Mike overhead.
North Bravo Sierra downwind. Brakes good. Mixture's rich. Carb heat hot. Fuel pump on.
Yep, let's go for a fuel tank change.
Up.
Yep.
Golf Mike descending dead side for runway 25 right.
I'm using this bunch of trees as a reference.
Yeah, that looks good. So make 30 degree angle of bank, 30 degree angle of bank, hold the nose up, don't let the nose drop, bring the power back, hold the nose up, hold the nose up, hold the nose up, because then when you level the wings now, the speed will have already started to decay.
Okay, so
2 stages of flap, 70 knots.
Golf to the Foxtrot, downwind 25 right, left hand circle.
Hold, well don't put any power on yet, because it looks like we're high.
Yeah.
So now fly 70 knots and we'll assess our angle of dangle to the threshold where we want to land, the point of touchdown.
Okay.
So that's starting to come in, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's not looking too bad now. So we might add a little bit of power, a couple hundred RPM. Yeah, make that final turn.
Okay.
Make the final call and...
Carb heat. Golf Bravo Sierra, final 25 right.
Okay, then full flap. And full flap will bring the touchdown point nearer to you. So full flap, a little less power maybe. Power controls height.
Yeah. A little bit fast as well, so it's power off. God, I am quite high now.
Well, that's all right. We'll have a look at the go round then. I'll talk you through it. Don't worry. To be fair, we could land off this, but we are going to do a go round.
Okay.
We've talked about it. I'll tell you when to do the go round, and it's going to be full power, and just bring the nose up enough to level the aircraft. Okay, go round now. Full power, enough to level the aircraft. You're going to have to push against those flaps.
Okay.
Get rid of the stage of flap. Right, now we're in the takeoff configuration, aren't we?
Okay.
Got Bravo Sierra, go round. Okay, so nothing else to do. Here we go. Right, thank you very much. Here we are. 2 stages of flap, full power, going round. Carb air's cold.
That's why you put the carb on cold, isn't it? So you have full power as you're coming out.
You do, and there will be days when you're hot and you're quite heavy, that you're going to need all the climb you can get.
Yeah.
We don't tend to go to airfields which have got real problems with the trees and things in the takeoff climb path, but it's still very good practice to make sure. Right, okay, so here we go. Last stage of flap. There's the church.
Golf Charlie Echo Uniform is downwind 25 right, contact 1 ahead.
One go round.
Golf to the Foxtrot, short final 25 right.
Right, Round we go. Should we do a flapless?
Yeah, sure.
Right, now flapless, you've got to add about 5 knots to everything. So whilst you've been flying about 70 knots, you should fly between 65 and 70. Now we're going to fly between 70 and 75. The approach attitude is going to be very flat. Okay, so
Yeah.
you're not going to see as much of the runway as you're used to.
Yeah.
And it's going to feel as if you're going very fast.
Golf Mike is final for runway 25 right.
I feel like flapless are normally my better landings.
Okay.
I think it's because you've got more control on the wings.
Yeah, possibly. You are going that little bit faster. And the aircraft's going to be more sensitive, so there's a better chance of ballooning,
Yeah.
of getting too high, too low, too high, too low, and ending up pumping the controls. So just set yourself an angle of approach. When you get close to the ground, cut the power, hold it off, and then just appreciate that it's going to look a bit strange.
25 right left hand circuit, dash gives you 1012, Golf return, yeah.
Golf Bravo Sierra, downwind. Brakes, good, mixture rich, fuel pump on, carb heat hot, gear is down, and dropping.
Yeah. And of course we're not going to get the descent rate that we're used to, because we won't have the drag flap.
Uniform 254, touch go, contact 1 up.
He's called finals. I got him. Yeah. Okay, round we go.
Oh yeah.
Right, now this time you're going to have to get the power off.
Yeah.
Bring the nose up.
Right, vacated, Golf
Get back to 70 knots and plan the attack. So no flap this time.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
Yeah.
So let's go up a bit more.
Right, that's fine. Okay, so there's your 70 knots. Now I wouldn't put any power on until you get that mental picture that says to you, I need power. If you put it on too early, you won't get the height off again. And you're not under the control of the land.
Downwind 25 right left hand circuit.
You're not under full control of the landing if you haven't got any power on, because the only thing you've got to do control height and speed is elevator, whereas actually controlling height is power. So you're using controls in against the normal sense. So that's starting to look pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. Golf Bravo Sierra, final 25 right, touch and go.
Well remembered. Right, so you might want to sit up and adjust yourself.
Yeah.
Because you ain't going to get the view that you're used to. So 70, gusting 75, but more 70 than 75. That's it. That's it. Be ready to use power when you get sync. That's it. Yeah. That's looking good. That's looking good. That's looking good. Not too much power. That's it. Let it flare. Let it flare. Power off. Nice one. Okay, go round.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let's go with no flaps.
That's it. Don't let the nose balloon.
Yeah.
That's it. Keep the nice flat departure because you've got no flaps. Speed will build very quickly. When you see 80 knots, trim the aircraft and you'll just go up like a little homesick angel. These things love climbing without flap. You only put flap down to stop the undercarriage getting wrecked on the runway. It gives us a shorter takeoff run.
Golf to the Foxtrot.
Yeah, I feel like
25 right.
when I don't use flaps, I have a nicer approach.
Right. Well, of course, I mean, flap does all sorts of strange things to you, doesn't it? It gives you more lift, gives you more drag. When you cut the power back, it drops a lot more quickly. So, you know, it's when you've got no flap, everything is equal. It's the same as the aircraft was for the last couple of minutes. Okay, round we go.
Golf 13, form downwind, runway 25 right, contact 1 ahead.
Okay, I've got it's a high wing. Right, give me a sort of slow flight circuit now. So bring the power back to 2,000 RPM. Power back to 2,000 RPM.
Yep.
2 stages of flap. Okay, and we're going to fly at 80 knots. There's 2 aircraft ahead of us,
Yeah.
okay? So don't let the aircraft balloon. So bring the power back until you got, 80 knots, that'll do. Well done. We're still probably going to have to go round because we've got a high wing. I think it's probably doing 80 miles an hour if we're lucky, let alone knots. We've got one on finals there. There he is, he's just turning now.
Down a bit, don't I?
Yeah. Okay, I think that's a Cessna 1.
The radio Golf Charlie, Golf Mike.
150 or
for immediate departure.
172, he's going quite quickly. Yeah, so put a bit of power on, I think we can go a bit more quickly. He seems to be cutting across base leg quite smartly. Right, and yeah, you start your turn.
Final 25 right, 4 touch and go.
Okay, so
Already got the flaps.
same as before, so it's cut the power, leave the nose high because you want to get the speed back to 70. Golf Bravo Slayer is now base leg visual 2 ahead for touch and go.
They're just letting everyone know that you can see them where you are.
Yeah, and also Tom is behind us, and I haven't seen him, heard of him for a little bit. Right.
Golf Victor India, final 25 right to left.
Right, so around we go. Maybe Tom landed on his last.
Golf Bravo Sierra. Final 2 right, 25, touch and go.
Right, he's doing a touch and go, so we're going to have to watch. Okay, so you've got final flap to go, and I'll just give you
Oh yeah.
some warm air. That will have defrosted anything that might be there. Back to cold again. Don't get too low. Okay, that's it. Cut the power and flare. That's fine. Okay, round we go.
Golf Charlie, Golf Mike, lining up 25 right.
Yeah, I struggle to. What can I do to improve the glide into?
Well, you're not doing a lot wrong, but
Okay.
you're
Charlie, Golf Mike, take off.
you're maybe leveling a little bit high and then using power
Right.
to stop your rate of descent. You can get closer to the ground before you
Okay.
flare.
Mhm.
Oh, that's okay. That was the flap jumping and missed a notch. Yeah, and then I'll tell you what. Why don't I'll demonstrate and I'll talk you through what I would do.
Okay.
So again, you've still got one stage of flap. I don't know because it jumped.
Yeah,
I'm
sorry.
not sure if it did what you wanted it to do.
No.
That's okay.
Thank you for saying that, because I forgot.
No, but I heard it click.
Yeah.
It fell down
Right, got that
from
one out.
position 2 to 1 all by itself. It's just a warm key with doggle.
Golf Charlie, Golf Mike, leaving via the railway line.
Alright, Golf Mike, that's good. He's not joining the circuit. Right, now where's old matey boy? He's downwind. Okay. Yeah, look, I'll give you a rest.
Okay.
It's quite hard work
You have
doing
control?
circuits. I've got control.
Yeah, my back's starting to ache
Yeah.
a little bit. camera is too hot.
Yeah. Okay, well out of the way. Gold Bravo Sierra's downwind, touch and go runway 25. So the brakes are off, the undercarriage is down, the mixture's rich, carb air is going hot, fuel pump is on, contents are good, flaps are up, hatches, harness is secure, and we're ready to go.
Golf Echo Uniform's final 25 right for touch and go.
That doesn't look like a high wing aircraft.
A little bit, yeah. I think it. I'm not. No.
I thought we were following a high wing aircraft.
No, it is. It is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So,
Does that change what you think about distance?
no,
No?
we should be okay. So, oh, hang on, a bit late downwind. So, do the turn. Close the throttle. Two stages of flap.
Golf Echo India, final 25 right flat.
70 knots. So he's on finals, that looks good. Golf Bravo Sierra's finals touch and go runway 25. Okay, he's clearing. So pick a spot on the runway and just look at your rate of descent, see if you're going to hit it. I'm looking for something about 2 stripes on from where it says runway 25.
Yep.
It looks like we're just sinking below it now, so I'm adding a little bit of power. 60 knots is still good. Good still. So you keep going down, keep pointing down. About now you start to flare.
Yeah.
But I'm flaring about now. Okay? Just holding it level, trickling the power off, pulling back, pulling back, pulling back until we land.
Okay.
Okay? Then hold the nails really well off the ground. We get airborne. As soon as you're airborne, a little bit of rudder there, not wing, not aileron to correct the thing. When you're close to the ground, rudder does it for you.
Okay.
Just don't let the nose balloon, because that's what it wants to do.
Yeah.
So keep it down, let the airspeed build, safe height and speed, first stage of flap.
Golf Echo Uniform, downwind 25 right for touch and go.
Safe height and speed. Final stage of flap. There we go. So you have control.
I have control. Bravo Sierra, downwind. That's the brakes are good. Mixture's rich. Carpet's hot.
Uniform, final 25
Fuel
right
pump
for
is
touch
on.
and go.
Gear is down. Harness is good. Doors are closed. Flaps down. Or up, I should say. Handles
Yes.
down.
That's it. Keep the nose up. Yeah, you've got more flap if you want it. You can land 2 flap if you want.
I always forget
as long
about
as
the
you're
final.
aware. Right, now we've got a nice constant angle there, haven't we? The perspective and everything's not changing, so don't change anything. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Start the flare and reduce the power. Start the flare, keep flaring, reduce the power. Perfect, look at that.
Better.
Yeah, right, round we go again.
Unflap. Right.
That's it, don't let the nose balloon too much. That's it. Rather have speed than height at this point.
Golf 19, form downwind 25 right for touch and gear.
Okay. Golf Bravo Sierra fan stop, call you climbing away. Okay, so what would you do now?
Roger.
Yeah, I'm going back.
Got an airfield, haven't you?
Yeah, so-
Hard turn left.
Yeah.
You could probably make it in there, especially as... Yeah, you definitely make that.
Yeah.
Okay, go to the right, take up the normal... Golf Bravo Sierra climbing away. Yeah.
Sierra, roger.
So,
Golf 19, form final 25 right for touch and gear.
I'll give you
Yeah.
a bit back again. Yeah, even though it's downwind, you could have scootled on down there. No flap or anything, probably.
Yeah.
And likewise here, as I said, you could turn straight into 2-9.
Yeah.
If you didn't make it, you could land straight across.
Yeah, I was going to say, you don't even have to land on
No,
the runway, do you?
No, exactly.
It's an airfield.
That's the great thing about a grass runway.
Right, Golf Bravo Sierra downwind. Brakes are good, mixture's rich, fuel pump's on. Hub heat's hot. Harness is good, doors good, flaps are up. I'm gonna land on this one, yeah?
Yes, please.
Golf Bravo Sierra, final 25 right to land.
Yeah, seem to have got the carb air thing sorted out
Yeah.
now. Connect it to something else.
Yes, that was a good advice, thank you.
And that works in all sorts of scenarios. Use one thing to trigger another.
Yeah. Let's sink there.
Yeah, that's it. Use as much power as you need. Just got to keep that constant aspect to the runway. You do very nicely. You pick up that you're sinking, getting below the glide quite quickly.
Oh, we're off.
No, don't worry. Just reset your landing point and do as we did before. Keep going down. Don't stop. Okay, start flaring now. Chop the power. Start flaring now. That's it. Perfect. That's going to be lovely. There you go. Yeah, if that happens to you, if you're on a short runway, later on when you're flying by yourself and you're going into a field with limited runway length, that is a go round.
Yeah.
If you're upset. If you've got plenty of room, reassess, pick another landing point. You've still got half the runway or more to go, so you know you're okay. If it's excessive and you're going to land somewhere around about here, throw it away, do a go round.
Okay. Golf Bravo Sierra, runway vacated.
Yeah, but for a minor blip like that, it's perfectly acceptable.
Oh, yeah, let's get some air in it.
Yeah. There you go.
I was nervous at first, but you've been good.
No, that worked out really nicely. I'd have no hesitation sending you solo.
That's the end of the circuits today. I was really looking forward to this lesson because it was supposed to be my first solo flight, but because my regular instructor was ill, and Colin hadn't flown with me before, he didn't know what my capabilities were, so I had to do some circuits with him. So hopefully next video, you will be seeing me do a solo flight. I didn't get to capture it all, unfortunately, because the camera's overheated again as I was doing this throughout the summer, so yeah, that happened a lot. But I did get the landing, so I hope you look forward to that. See you next time.